What is a random module in Python? What does it even mean by a module? Hello guys, this is day 5 of me documenting my learning. Today, let us learn about some functions in random module. A module is just a Python file in which many useful functions and classes and other functionalities are present that we can use in our code. Random module is a built-in Python module which has functions used to generate random numbers, random choices, and other things. A built-in module means it comes with Python when you install Python interpreter. Python interpreter is a software which understands your Python code and executes it, runs it. Now let us see a function in that module, in random module called randint. Let me create a Python file first. Now, to use random module, we first have to import it in our file by doing like this. Import random. It is a convention to leave some spaces after import statements. Given two integers, randint function randomly generates an integer between them and returns it, which we store in a variable. So let us do that now. Number is the variable in which we store. Now we have to specify the two numbers to randint between which it has to generate a random number. Let us specify 30 and 300 so that it generates a random number between them. Here, since we want to get randint function from random module, we do random and then a dot and then randint to specify that we want to get that randint function which is in the random module. Now, let us print the number we got using Python terminal. First, let me write the print statement. Now, let us open the terminal. We have to specify terminal. We want to run Python interpreter on this file like this. Python and then the file name randomdemo.py so that our terminal runs randomdemo.py file using Python interpreter. Now let us run that. See, a random number is generated. Let us run it again. Now let us use another function in random module which itself is called random, which gives us a random decimal number between 0 and 1. Let us comment these statements like this so that they don't get executed again. Now this statement gets the random function from the random module which gives a random number between 0 and 1 and we store it in the variable number. Let us print it. Now this number is printed, not this, because we have commented these two lines so they don't get executed. Let us clear our terminal. Let us run this file again. See, a random decimal number between 0 and 1. Let us run it again. So we are getting random numbers between 0 and 1 using this function. So that's it for learning today, guys. If you have any remarks, please let me know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and see the Instagram handle of same name. Thank you for watching, guys. Until tomorrow, bye bye.